BOOZHOO! Kakina Awia! Hello, everybody! Today's OJIBWE phrase of the day. BOOZHOO! Kakina Awia! BOOZHOO! Hello! Kakina is every, and Awia is like one. Every one. Or body. Everybody kind of. BOOZHOO! Kakina Awia! Hello, everybody! My name is Emily Aubrey. This over here, Hoa. This is Michael Lyons. Say Kadon, BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello to the nice people out in YouTube land. Hello, everyone. How you doing? Welcome to the show. And today, I wanted to talk about some very profound and deep things. You know, we're not really... Is it just me? Or does it seem like people have changed? What do you mean? Like, I don't know if it was post-pandemic. It seems like, I don't know, people seem more unhinged, crabby, rude. I mean, maybe not everyone. No, I've noticed it too. And maybe I've changed too. I'm not as funny as I used to be. Really? Yeah, I don't think so. Anyhow, I was thinking I wanted to react to a video or something. Should we talk about Trump being Elvis and Elvis being Lucifer? We could, but that's just, we're going to lose everybody. Should we talk about space being fake and the moon landing being fake? I hear that NASA respond. This is funny. This isn't the news today. Today's moment of news. Apparently, I didn't read the article, but I saw the headline. NASA responds to Kim Kardashian, who said they faked going to the moon. Yeah. I mean, it's so stupid. I mean, the whole world's a stage. Obviously they fake going to the moon. But who cares what Kim Kardashian thinks? Well, apparently NASA cares. Yeah. You know, millions of people have debunked that stupid lie that they went to the moon 6 times in 3 years in the early 70s, late 60s. And never went back even close. And nobody in any country for the next 50 years. Every bit of evidence, fake footage that they've shown us is obviously fake. But everyone's been brainwashed, you know. They go, oh, I wonder, did they fake it or did they really fly a rocket thousands miles away? It's stupid. But, you know, they want to be in the news. Oh, Kim Kardashian said they faked it. Okay, thank you, Kim. Finally, you got NASA to answer to some of our concerns about how stupid and fake and how none of us believe they went to the moon. But this show isn't really about that. I mean, we're a children's show. We're a children's show because we teach beginning language in a fun, kid-friendly way. We never swear. No, we don't. You know, we're story time people. We read library picture books to children. It's a kids show. So how can I talk about this? Even though on YouTube, kids never watch. I know. All of our viewers, this is the weird thing, you guys. All of our viewers on YouTube, the dozens of views we get, are from, you know, like Gen X. It's really true. You know, most people are over 50 that watch this. But in any case, this is for the children. Hi, kids. Happy Halloween. Oh, yeah, it's Halloween, isn't it? Yeah. I was thinking we could take a call. You want to try to take a call? Yeah, we could. But anyway, hello, children. Happy Halloween. It's the holidays are upon us once again. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about holidays. So today is Halloween, a time when families get together and worship Satan. Hey, well, let's face it. Let's all just glorify anything demonic you can think of. Go out at night, trick or treat, do some terrorism. Hey, give me some candy or else we're going to egg your house. And you won't know who did it because we're all wearing masks. But it's just a weird tradition that stems back from paganism, which is just, anti-Christian, Satanism, sugar-coated Satanism. But that doesn't matter. What really matters is we're coming up on, soon it'll be Christmas time again. And Santa Claus is fake too. Everything, when you grow up, you'll find out everything they teach you in school and in holidays. It starts with Santa Claus. Like, oh yeah, your parents tell you, oh, Santa Claus is watching you when you sleep. And if you're good, you're going to get presents. And if you're bad, you'll get some coal in your stocking. But he's going to come into our house. He's a magical man. He comes, And then you go to kindergarten and your friend goes, what? You still believe in Santa Claus? That's stupid. Well, he's right. It is stupid. But you're not stupid. You were lied to. Lied to by the people you trust the most, your parents. And then, the rest of society. Well, the thing is, all this goes, they're all connected. All the lies you learn, all the conspiracy theories are all connected. So they lied about Santa. Why? Because they, and we'll get into who they are eventually, they don't want you thinking about Jesus. It really is about, and not about God. Christmas is about Jesus being born in a manger in Bethlehem. But they roll out Santa Claus or Satan's Claus. And they want to say, hey, kids, it's fun for kids, just like Halloween. Look, you can dress up like the devil and we'll give you candy and show you attention. And we'll have parties and celebrate, the dark side. It's the anti-good. It's anti-Easter or something. But, Santa Claus was the first conspiracy. And eventually, when I was a little girl, they found out that Santa Claus was fake. And then, when did I find out that they faked the moon landing? Probably in the 80s. You think so? Yeah, I don't really remember if I ever believed it. I mean, I believed in space and in rockets, and I believed in a space agency that did stuff. I thought maybe they could have faked it. But they did fake it for sure. And the reason they faked it was because they want to convince you that the Earth is round and spinning in outer space. And so they went through all this trouble to fake flying in outer space and getting a picture of the Earth. And go, look, everyone. See, we said the Earth was round. Now we have a photograph. Because they could never have done anything like that before the 70s. When they said they flew off the planet and took a picture of it. Everyone says, oh yeah, we always knew the Earth was round. Well, until they had rockets where they could take a picture, by their story, they couldn't have known for sure. No one had been up high enough to look back. And the reality is you can't go up that high. Because once again, they don't want you knowing that the Bible is true. In the Bible, they talk about a dome over everything. It's called the firmament. It's a dome that separates water. You know, like when you look up what we're looking at, we're a big snow globe. And the sky is water. And it separates, and there's a dome that keeps it from flooding in. All right, that's the truth. They don't want you knowing that. And we've all been brainwashed, and everything in the world has been all about, you know, hiding the truth that they made up that the earth was round and floating in the vacuum of outer space and spinning. And I mock it now because it seems so stupid, but I believe that we lived on a spinning ball somehow rotating around a burning ball of gas that's huge, and our eyes are lying to us. But, you know, if I can figure out that and change my mind that everything I was taught was a lie and believe that there was a lie and research it and stuff, if you're not old, I know you can change your mind too. Go, wait, is it possible they lied about all that? Why would they lie? Well, they... I just went off on a tangent. Yeah. And this is way too long. Way too long. All right. Well, next time we'll sing some songs or whatever. Until then, kids, happy Halloween.